of life. Today I'm supposed to treat microorganisms and their mode of nutrition, but there is no how I can be able to continue without first of all explaining what is called organization of life, how life actually started. According to biologists, organization of life actually starts with non-living microorganism. For example, the DNA, the RNA molecules, starting with enzymes, then virus, then living cell, which end with complex multicellular organisms. So in this studies now, we are going to look at the virus as a key study. Before I can move, I would like us to know that the study of virus is called virology, and virus has so many parts, so many types, sorry. But here we are going to begin with the bacteriophage, okay, as a virus. The bacteriophage is actually a virus that targets a bacterium cell, okay. It targets and destroy a bacterium cell. So the mode of transmission is so complicated. First, the bacteriophage will have to land on the host, which is the bacteria, and use its tail cord to break into the bacterium cellular membrane. Okay, when it breaks into there, it will now send its mRNA into the virus nucleus. When the mRNA, which is the virus nucleus, it will now transform the chromosome in the nucleus of that bacteria to now produce baby viruses. So this is how virus is born. Okay, so virus, number one, it doesn't have a reproductive organ. Two, the virus doesn't have much organelle. It only have the protein coat and the strand of DNA or RNA. Now, when virus exists as RNA, it exists outside the host or outside anything living. But when it is existing in DNA level, it is when it is now producing baby viruses, because that nucleolus, that mRNA has an enzyme called the reverse transcriptase. The reverse transcriptase have to change or code the chromosome in the nucleolus of the bacteria to start producing baby viruses instead of a useful organelle that will help it to replicate and grow. Okay, so that is why some people said virus is a living cell, is a living thing and also non-living thing. Why some people argue that virus is actually in the center between living and non-living. But if I should say virus is not a living thing, the reason is because of it is made up of protein codes and a strand of either DNA or RNA. And again, it doesn't have any other organelle that made it a living. Other point is that the virus doesn't eat, it doesn't have a mode of nutrition. The reason why it is called a parasite is because of its mode of replication. Okay, so it doesn't actually target the nutrition level of the host. The only thing it targets is the organelles of the host. Okay, so in our next video, I am going to explain to us the mode of nutrition of this microorganism, one after the other. And I would like you to patronize me by liking, commenting where I made mistake or what you think I didn't add to this video. And also I would like you to share so that it will get to other people that are interested in learning. See you in the next video.